I've been brokenhearted, and this one day of the year reminds me of all the successes and failures in my relationships. Let me share with you one particular story. I was young, it starts happy, sweet, it was good, I was content, everything was going as planned. In denial, I even said, he'll come around, but I couldn't make him stay. And this is my stock market relationship story. See, you can tell how investors feel based on how the market behaves. Optimism can drive investors to buy stocks, leading to a rise in stock prices. The rise can be due to positive economic news, positive company news, or a growing sense of confidence in the market. Greed can drive investors to buy stocks at a higher and higher price, leading to a stock market bubble. Fear can drive investors to sell stocks in a panic, leading to a decline in stock prices. Anxiety can drive investors to make impulsive decisions, leading to market volatility. While pessimism can drive investors to sell stocks, leading to a decline in stock prices. And in the stock market, if a company or a stock appears to lose its value, it will lose its value. So these emotions can have a significant impact on stock prices and market behavior. What I learned in my stock market journey is it's important to be aware of the risks and to manage emotions when investing. It's so important for investors to seek expert advice and to have a well-diversified portfolio to help mitigate the risks associated with emotional investing. I'm Jerica, and I'm wishing you love and great relationships to bloom this Valentine's Day. Follow my socials for more.